Hey there, this is Jun Wang for the Data Dragon team. Together with my teammate Yushan Li, Lingli Wang, and Jing Zhang, we would like to welcome you to the new age of space travel. On the homepage of our web app, Star Voyager, we have the map of the entire universe, 4,000 destination stellar system, and we also have information on every single planet and stars within those systems. Obviously, you're not alone. We also have 500,000 fellow travelers information, their trip record. You can even book your own trip. To help you get started, we have random planet of the day and start of the day with some basic information on those. Right? And also, just look at the map in front of us. You can see that it's fully interactive. We can hover on any one of them and give a brief idea of how far they are from Earth, and then other information like number of planets and stars. Let's just quickly, select one of them. For example, right here, we can jump to the system. You can see that this dataset is truly interconnected. We can read up a brief intro of the system, but also the stars and planet within the system. You can go to any of those stars, right? Read more information about the stars. We can also see a number of similar stars based on, for example, their spectral types. Click on any of those to jump to that star for more information. Or let's go back and go to a planet in the system. Similarly, you can see all its metrics. You can see similar planets based on their planet type and other metrics. Right here, click on this. We can even give a brief summary of Safari, basically, all the people who are going there, when they're going there. You can see some happy faces with fellow travelers, their basic demographic info. You can even see how many people have taken an interest in this planet, a brief demographic breakdown, or even like this planet yourself, which obviously require you to log in. So let's quickly do that. Just putting my information right here and log in, which will take you to my user profile page with some basic demographic info here. You can see a list of the trips that we recorded, the day I booked, the day I will be traveling, right, and some other information. We also have a list of the planet that I liked, and you can remember that as a list. From here, we can jump to any one of them. It will be the similar information that we just seen, and also, of course, you can see that this one's already liked. We can unlike it. You can see that the number will change. We light it again, keep it, in our list. Beyond that, right, we also have a curated topic-based search results for you to get some interesting information. For example, the new stars plan, maybe you're interested in some newborn stars and want to go to a planet near it, right? We have a list of 20 stars just like that. Maybe you want to see some really dangerous and unstable situations. For example, binary systems that has more than one star in the same stellar systems that can have a lot of trouble. So if you want to go to one of them, you might want to find a nearby planet that's habitable, meaning that have a certain distance from its sun so that it has the right temperature and environment for water to exist. And last but not least, we have the most liked query result, basically giving you a top liked planet in our systems that you can filter by gender and age of the people who liked it. This is actually the heaviest query in our entire website, which initially takes more than 2 minutes to run. But with reworking the selection and projection within the query as well as indexing, we are able to reduce this to under 20 seconds. If those topics don't interest you, you can also do your own custom search by going to the gallery page. Right here, of course, you can search through the different stars and planets. For example, maybe we want to find all planets with the name Kepler in it. We don't have to specify spectral type because planets don't usually have that metrics. But we can set its distance range, a temperature range. You can even say do not accept now temperature values, which might be a little bit too limiting, of course. A little bit of age range. Yeah, just as I thought. So accept now. We can see 400 results. We can then jump to any of them, or read up on some basic metrics here. You can of course also search through your fellow travelers' travel record. Of course, let's not just look at other people's travel, right? Let's book our own trip. Go into a book page, choose a destination, right? And the date of departure, let's say it's this Saturday. Stay there for a few days. Warp drive is fine. Economy, maybe you just go with business, right? Purpose is tourism, of course. Click, maybe go with my girlfriend. Let's show price. It's a little expensive, but this is calculated based on aggregating all existing travel records and giving you an average. Okay, maybe I'm okay with the price. Let's start your voyage. There, trip is confirmed. Let's go back to the user profile page. You can see that this trip is already recorded in a database. Success. With that concludes our demo of the website. Thank you, and we hope to see you in space soon.